at MIT if you have. I have not taught at MIT. I had a staff position. I didn't really have a formal teaching position or a dedicated teaching position at MIT. It was more of a different kind of position, more researchy, more staff position to do some work that is not lecturing. Listen, guys, you need to up your bands. Okay, perfect. All right, we're ready for that. Okay, good. So last time, because Reese asked about neutron stars, we talked a lot about neutron stars. Today we will talk about black holes, but first I will remind you sort of what these different things are and recap a little bit. Okay? We will recap a little bit. Science time. Yes, indeed. Yay! So actually what I'm going to do is... So remember that this whole thing came up because I was talking about particle astrophysics and how that is a more sort of modern topic or subfield. Particle physics came also as a more modern topic from quantum mechanics, and due to the great success of quantum mechanics that we have kind of spoken about at length in previous lives, and we covered its sort of progression in the 20th century. Then we talked about how traditionally astrophysics is done with visible light, but there are other types of light in the spectrum that you can do, such as other wavelengths of light like gamma rays, X-rays. And we mentioned how particle astrophysics is basically astrophysics that's done with particles other than just visible traditional light. And then Reese asked about neutron stars, and so then we talked about neutron stars. Hi, God is the best. So is family. Thank you. Okay, actually, give me 1 second. I'm gonna go grab a water. I'll be right back. Then we will continue. As in, I'm still here. So anywho, because we okay. All right, I'm just going to concentrate on the physics now. Reese is a mod. He will take care of answering questions. So we talked about stellar remnants. We talked about how stars die and they might go through something called a supernova, which is an explosion when stars collapse under their own gravitation and they no longer have nuclear power to kind of keep them alive and burning and doing the thing that stars do. So then they die and become one of three things: white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. We mentioned mostly about white dwarfs and neutron stars last time. So today we will talk about black holes. Okay. So let's see the definitions real quick. so that we can